Inspiration could run out from time to time, but it could also be hidden round the corner. HUION's latest released Kamvas 22 unveils a new perspective on creativity to refresh your mind. Flagship design combined with 21.5-inch FHD screen and quantum dot technology enables purer color of RGB light source, a wider color gamut, as well as the minimized harmful blue lights, which can facilitate your drawing and unveil the delicacy in minimalism. Anti-glare glass is full laminated to provide a more pleasant visual experience. The upgraded battery-free pen technology, PenTech 3.0, ensures more organic lines with minimized lagging and lifelike pen-on-paper experience. Plus 60-degree brush tilt recognition enables more flexibility and accuracy in drawing. Different experience, different surprise. HUION Kamvas 22 and 22 Plus.